Julija again, founder of TinkerTank and homeschool mom of 3 beautiful children that I've been homeschooling for the last 10 years. Today I thought we could talk a little bit about scheduling for us suddenly homeschooling during this time of COVID-19. So both parents might be working from home right now, which means we're triply busy than we've ever been. With this schedule, I hope that we can help to keep your family sane through the crazy weeks ahead. So scheduling. Let's start from the beginning, the morning. So first thing in the morning, try to make it a regular thing, getting up at the same time every day and getting the work done in that first few hours of your day. So as we mentioned in yesterday's video, Dragon did recommend to try to get most of the work done in the morning. So let's start from the beginning. Let's get out of bed. Let's make that bed because it sets the tone for the day. And eat a really healthy breakfast, as healthy as you can. And if you can eat that breakfast outside, that would be even better. Get a little morning sunshine. Walk your dog, walk your parents, walk your kids. Just get outside, get the body moving, get some exercise in before your day begins. So the next thing on the agenda would be schoolwork. So like we said before, getting the schoolwork done early is key. I recommend getting it going by 9 a.m. if you can, and working on it through till noon. Now this is really going to depend on what your school expects of you. Every school, and it seems like every district, is really different right now. A lot of the virtual learning right now, it seems to be all day, 9 to 3. I imagine that will not last the entire time that these kids are doing virtual learning. The kids are going to get burnt out. For now, let's just remember the basics, and that's to take a lot of breaks, take advantage of those breaks. So noon, lunch. Or get into the kitchen, make your lunch with mom and dad. And again, if it's nice outside, get that sunshine on your skin. After lunch, do a quick tidy up, make sure the kitchen's clean, and catch up with your chore list. I don't know if your family is going to do a chore list. We have one, and it is available as well to you. It's really helped us get through the first few weeks. So from 1 to 3, if you still have school, you gotta stick to that. Otherwise, this is a great time for you guys to do your arts and crafts, any gardening that you love doing, maybe relaxing, reading a book, or going outside to play. So from 3:30 till 5, it's TinkerTank TV, where we will teach interactive STEAM education online. We can't wait to bring this to you and your family. So 5 p.m. is here, it's dinner time. Kids, you should help with prepping, help with cooking, set the table, and of course, tidy up. Finish your chores after that, and then, it's free time. It's time to relax, maybe watch some TV, and read a book. So I hope that helps. I have all of this in our PDF, our 6-page PDF. The best way to get a hold of this is to go to our website, tinkertank.rocks, and chat with me there. I'll send it through, and I hope this all helps. And if you have any questions, please do message me. I am here to help any way I can. Please take the time to enjoy this. This is a great time to connect with your family, and remember that this is an opportunity. And let's take care of each other, and please stay safe. Thanks. Bye. See you tomorrow.